Friends, we know there are many countries in this world, and every country has its own culture, lifestyle, and traditions. Today, we're going to talk about a country which is so special for its enormous culture, festivals, diversity, and traditions. If you love exploring the things like music, arts, and ancient architecture, its histories, and the food, this is the best country to visit. Also, this country is famous for Ayurvedic medicine. So, let's know more about it. Friends, today we're going to talk about India. What comes to your mind when you think about India? The most populated country in the world, multiple religions, languages, celebrations all the time, or the food? India is famous for one of its main reasons is multi-religions. One of the major religions of India is Hinduism. Hinduism is one of the major religions which is practiced by almost 79.8% of the Indian population. It is the world's third largest religion with over 1.25 billion followers, which is equals to 15 to 16% of the global population. Hindu from the Hinduism is a name derived from the name Sindhu, in which Arabs and Greeks made it as Hindu. The real name of Hinduism is Sanatana Dharma. As per the Hinduism, cows are treated as sacred animal and the people used to worship the cow. The second major religion of India is Islam. Islam is considered as the second largest religion, which is 24% of the world's population. Also in India, 14.2% of the Indian population follows Islam. Christianity is mostly about the life and teachings of Jesus Christ. It is the world's largest religion with 31.2% followers of the global population. Christianity is one of the major and third largest religions in India after Hinduism and Islam, with almost 2.6% of the Indian population. There are also some of the religions like Sikhism, Jainism, and Buddhism, which are also followed by many people in India. If we talk about Indian languages, there is not only one particular language in India. Along with more population, there are more than 22 languages were spoken by 96.7% of the country's population as their mother tongue based on the different regions of the India. Out of which, Hindi is the most spoken language in India, and Tamil, which is a language is spoken in Tamil Nadu of South India, is the world's oldest language. In 1578, Portuguese Christian missionaries published a Tamil prayer book in an old Tamil script named as Tambiran Vanakkam, thus making Tamil the first Indian language to be printed and published. The Tamil lexicon, published by the University of Madras, was one of the earliest dictionaries published in Indian languages. According to 2001 survey, there were 1,863 newspapers published in Tamil, of which 350 were dailies. India is also famous for its various traditions, and for every region of India, there will be different culture and different style of dressing. Talking about India without remembering its delicious food is just meaningless. If you are a food lover, then India is the best country to taste and enjoy lots of varieties, where you can get everything from countryside chicken to Kentucky Fried Chicken. India is the country who is having highest vegetarian food eaters in the world. Also, one of the non-vegetarian item from India is biryani, which is favorite for many Indians. What made the Indian food so special are its spices. Yes, India is the largest producer and supplier of spices to the world, and the country which uses most spices in terms of quality and variety is definitely India. World Health Organization reported that one of the South Indian traditional food is the most healthiest food in the world. India is also famous for its music and arts as well. Indian music includes multiple varieties of folk, popular, pop, classical music. Indian classical music traditions includes Carnatic and Hindustani music, has history spanning millennia and developed over several years. It remains fundamental to the lives of Indians today as the source of spiritual inspiration, cultural expression, and the pure entertainment. Some of the famous arts of India are wall paints, the handicrafts, and the wooden toys. One of the most celebrated styles of folk painting in India is Madhubani, which is originated from Mithila region of Bihar as a form of wall art. The Varlis paintings are used to made by the indigenous tribes or Adivasis in India who are living in mountains as well as coastal areas of Maharashtra and Gujarat borders of surrounding areas. There are also famous paintings which are quite popular in the history, which are Bengali fort painting, Kalamkari paintings, miniature paintings, and the Kerala murals. Not only painting, the handcrafted things like wool and wooden toys are also very famous in many places of India, which are usually exports to many countries as well. When it comes to medicinal values, there are many kinds of medical treatments, but the Ayurvedic, which is treatment used to treat with the herbs, is one of the effective medicine and no side effects. And India is famous for Ayurvedic medicine. It has been started 6000 years ago in India. There are many concepts of Ayurveda which have existed since the time of Indus Valley civilization. Not only this, there are many things in which India is different from other countries, which we will see in the next videos. If you have been to India, please mention in the comment box. And thanks for watching the video guys, and if you like the video, please do click on the like button, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon. See you in the next video. Jai Hind.